In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Asana board to public 2025, step by step. Before we begin, a quick reality check. In Asana, you can't make a project fully public to the entire internet like a website. What you can do is make the project visible to everyone in your organization, or generate a read-only link that anyone with the link can view. Also, when we say board, we're talking about the board view of an Asana project, so changing the project's visibility changes the board's visibility too. Let's start with making a project public to your organization. Open the project you want to share. At the top of the project, click the Share button in the header. In the sharing options, choose Share with Organization. This makes the project visible to everyone in your company's Asana, which is perfect when you want broad internal transparency across teams. Keep in mind that this option is controlled by your organization settings, so if you don't see it, it may be disabled by your admin or limited by your plan. If you decide you want to keep the project tighter, switch the setting to private to members. That way only people you explicitly add to the project can see it. A quick tip, if you're collaborating with internal guests or contractors, double check their access after changing visibility to make sure they see exactly what they need and nothing more. Now, if you need to share the project with people outside your Asana organization, or you want a view-only snapshot, create a read-only public link. Open the same project and click the three dots next to the project name to open the project actions menu. Choose sync/export, then click create a public link. Asana will generate a link you can copy and share. Anyone with that link can view the project's contents, but they can't edit, comment, or change anything. This is ideal for stakeholders, clients, or leadership who just need visibility without access. Treat this link like you would any shareable file link. Only give it to people who should see the information, and avoid including sensitive details in task titles or descriptions. If you ever need to revoke access, return to the same menu and turn the link off. That's it. Use organization-wide sharing for internal transparency and the read-only link for secure, view-only access beyond your team. Choose the approach that fits your audience and your company's policies, and you'll keep work visible without sacrificing control.